Good morning everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to fix the issue of where this PC area or File Explorer, so this bit here, is taking quite a bit of time to actually sort of respond and load. It's quite an easy sort of fix really. I'm going to try to do that now. So there's two ways you can do this. There's one main method. There's two things you can try though, but they're both in the same section. So go down to your search bar at the bottom and type in File Explorer Options. That opens up a little box like this, as you can see here. First fix is change the Open File Explorer to this PC. I'm not going to do it myself, I've already done that, I don't have an issue with it anyway. So you change it to this PC. Another way of fixing it is in the privacy area, set clear, make your changes, press apply and OK. Restart your computer and that should hopefully solve the issue for you. If you find it doesn't, drop a comment and I'll see if I can look into it for you. Hope you enjoyed that and I'll see you on the next video.